Hello friends, hope so all of doing well and welcome to another quick tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix microphone not working on Realme Narzo 20, Narzo 20A or Narzo 20 Pro. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. So to fix mic not working problem on Narzo 20A, 20 Pro or 20, simply first of all just go to settings and do the same as I'm showing you in this video to fix microphone problem.